We are making my delicious garden zucchini cake from my new book, Earth to Table. It is magnificent, and I normally make it for birthdays and celebrations and all things lovely. This is the book. It's the best. It was voted best cookbook in Australia by the Gourmet World Cookbook Awards, which I'm really happy about. And the reason being is because it's so damn healthy. And this is the cake itself. I've doubled the recipe, which is why it probably looks so big, because I'm cooking for a crowd of people tomorrow. So we've got 500 grams of zucchini here, spelt flour, it's olive oil, it's a bit of organic maple syrup, some lemon zest and some orange zest. And I've got another 500 grams of pure goodness here in the zucchini as well. So we've got that. And we've also got some beautiful omega-3 rich walnuts that I'm also folding through. So once the cake batter's done, the most important thing to do, and the last but not least thing to do, is to fold all these yummy ingredients in. Look at that. This is spectacular. It's just filled. I've never seen a zucchini cake that's so filled with zucchini and so filled with goodness. And look at that, pure goodness, high in fibre. Now, I'm gonna put this into a couple of lined baking tins. Okay, so now we're gonna pour it into the baking tins. So I've lined 4 baking tins just in case it doesn't fit into 2 or 3, but I was being a bit ambitious. That's 1. 2, 3, and you know what, it probably will do 4, but I reckon 3 nice ones. So you can do a 2-layered cake or a 3-layered cake. And the good thing about this cake is that it freezes really well too, everybody. So it's wonderful because it's so moist. Now just making sure that you're evening out all the cake batter in between all the layers here. So I am going to put these beautiful cakes into a fan-forced 160-degree oven for around about 45 minutes, but it's also good to check halfway in between. And now we wait. Okay, so this is very cool. The cakes are out of the oven. Check this out. I've got my garden zucchini cakes ready to frost. Full of zucchini, it's got some spelt flour, olive oil, some gorgeous omega-3 rich walnuts, and I'll show you how easy this is. Now this is my Lush yogurt frosting, and this is pretty much a labna, so it's strained yogurt with a bit of maple and vanilla, and it's divine on anything zucchini cake, carrot cake, and all vegetable style of cake. So I'm just gonna spread it around nice and gently, and I'm gonna put the top layer on. Now, normally with the cakes, when you put a top layer on, it's nice just to turn it over, because then you get a nice even coating on the top. And I'll do the same for the top as well. This is so lush, full of probiotics, creamy, delicious, and it's not overly sweet as well, so love it. I'm gonna just lavish it with a little bit more frosting because I've got so much that I made. And then finish off the tops. And maybe a few nice little swirls in the icing itself. Now to decorate, very, very quick and easy, I have some wonderful fresh rosemary. You can decorate it with some beautiful figs, you can decorate it with some fresh pear, and I've just got some rosemary, I've got a little bit of lemon, I've got a few little bay leaves here as well, and some fresh thyme, and it just gives a lovely, beautiful beautiful little garden look to the whole cake, and it's really, really lovely, and it presents really well too. And there you have it, my beautiful garden zucchini cake from my cookbook, Earth to Table, and it's topped with a lush yogurt frosting. And I'm going to enjoy mine with a warming turmeric latte. So it's perfect when it's a little bit cold and rainy outside. Enjoy, guys.